हेलो दोस्तों, तो आप लोग कैसे हैं? आई होप आप लोग अच्छे होंगे। मैं बात करने वाला हूं आज मोस्ट पॉपुलर कोचिंग क्लासेस की, जिसका नाम है ज्ञानदीप कोचिंग क्लासेस, जिसे जीडी क्लासेस भी कहते हैं। यहां पर सभी विषय पढ़ाए जाते हैं, जैसे विज्ञान में भौतिक विज्ञान, रसायनिक विज्ञान, जीव विज्ञान और मैथ इंग्लिश भी पढ़ाए जाते हैं। साथ ही साथ हिंदी और सामाजिक विज्ञान का भी यहाँ पर ध्यान रखा गया है। इनके निर्माता महोदय श्री पंकज जी हैं और ये सभी विषय एक विशेषज्ञ टीचरों द्वारा पढ़ाया जाता है, जिन्होंने उच्च शिक्षा प्राप्त की। इसका स्थान कलवारी शर्मा जौनपुर है। हमारा चैनल का नाम है विराज एजुकेशन हब। प्लीज चैनल को लाइक शेयर
Hello students, today's our topic is kinematics in physics. Okay students, kinematics in physics, that is purpose is NEET exam. Okay, today our solve many types of questions in this topic, this chapter. Then students we will start the topic kinematics, and firstly we learn about the in the chapter of kinematics, in the topic of kinematics, the what is the distance. Distance is the total length of path by travel moving body. Okay students, and let us study about the distance. Okay students, what is the distance? Distance, the total length of the total length of path the total length of path is known as the total length of path is known as distance. Okay students, let's about some properties of distance. The distance of properties of distance. What is the distance? The distance is the which type of physical quantities? Distance is a scalar quantity. Distance is a scalar quantity. Okay students, distance cannot be distance cannot be, yeah, because then we have to say that distance is not equal to 0, and that is the distance is not equal to 0, and scalar, that is a scalar quantity. Okay, and distance, the total length of path is known as a distance, or we say that the total length of path between 2 points. Okay students, the total length of path between 2 points, initial and final point. Understood? Let us start. What is the displacement? Students? Then we learn about the difference of distance and displacement. Okay, firstly we learn about the displacement. What is the displacement? What is the displacement? The shortest length of path between initial and final point. Okay students, final point. Students, the distance is a vector quantity. And that is a displacement is a vector quantity. And displacement is will be 0. It means displacement equals to 0. Okay students, what is the difference between the distance and displacement? Distance, the total length of path is known as the distance, and the shortest length of path between the initial and final point is known as displacement. Understood? Is known as displacement. Okay students, we learn about this topic. Firstly students, we learn about this topic, and this topic is important for the kinematics. Okay students, we understood about the by figure. We understood that this topic is by figures. Okay students, let us start the difference between the between the distance and displacement. The distance is and displacement. Okay students, the total length of path is known as the distance. The shortest length of path is known as between initial point and final point is known as the displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity and distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement will be 0, but distance will be not 0. Understood? Distance will be not 0 and displacement is 0. Okay students, let us some difference according to the displacement. Distance is greater than or equal to the displacement. Distance is greater than or equal to the displacement, and displacement is less than or equal to the distance. Okay students, displacement will be 0 and negative. Displacement will be 0 and negative, but distance is continuously equal, but distance is continuously equal to 0 or equal to 0, since it will be not 0. and distance will be not zero, distance will be not zero, or is not negative in negative value, and the negative value. Displacement will be negative in negative value, and distance will be in a not negative value, is equal to not negative value. Okay, students, let us understood by the figure what is the distance and displacement. Okay, students, let us consider by figure what is the distance and displacement. Suppose, student, one body is moving a path. Suppose a moving body is traveling a path point A to B. That can be started the point A from north side direction, that is the 2 kilometer distance travel, and turn about the east side, and then that is the travel in the 3 kilometer distance, and that is across the distance of B. And what is the displacement of point A to B, and what is the distance of point A to B? The distance is equal to 2 and 3. Distance is equal to 2 plus 3, and then what is the value of 2 plus 3? The total length of path. The total length of path is known as the distance. The total length of path, total length point A to B and point B to C. Point A to B distance 2 km and point B to distance 3 km. Then value is the 3 to 5 km. The total distance is equal to 5 km. And students, let us consider the displacement. What is the displacement? Displacement is equal to the value of AC. The value of AC, students, we find out the consider the distance of between A to C. Okay, students, what is the distance of between A to C? We apply the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, students, we apply the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is known as AC is equal to under root AB square and plus BC square. AC is equal to AB's value, AB value is equal to 2 kilometer square, and then BC value is equal to 3 kilometer square. Calculate the value. 2 2s are 4, and plus 3 3s are 9. 4 plus 9 under root 4 plus 9 is equal to, students, 30 under root 30. The value of 13 kilometer under root 13 kilometer. The value of displacement. Okay, students, that is the value of displacement. Students, we consider or we understood about this displacement. We understood the distance always is greater than the displacement, because that value is the under root 30 and the displacement is the and the distance is the 5 km. 5 km is the greater than the value of under root 30. Okay, students. Okay, in this topic, in this lecture, we consider what is the distance and displacement. Okay, students, we start next lecture in the solve the value of distance and displacement.